Behold, the Santa Fe. Now let me show you that I didn't believe this, but it is true. One screw. You ready for this? That's all it is to pull this panel off. But you gotta catch the right spot. There's an indent right there. You can sort of feel it just to get your hand up in here. It's kind of tight, really tight. It's brand spanky new. Look, I got it off. Look, that's the one screw holding it in. Now, once you get the rest of them out, you pull up, and there you have it. Some stayed, so let's get them out and put them back where they belong. But to pull this puppy out, I love how easy these cars are to come apart nowadays. Look at this. That is fan whimsical. Now let's pull this puppy off. That's it. Squeeze. Look. That's it. Let's get these guys out. Get these guys out. Put them back in the door. Now that it's off and sitting right there, we're going to take that speaker out. So, 4 screws, and this is probably going to be the one that is going to be a perfect candidate for my other video that I'm going to attach, where the speaker is the actual mounting ring. So you can save yourself some money, and you can use and destroy, because by the time you actually watch this video, this speaker is probably going to be crackling, and you're going to sit there and say to yourself, man, this guy had this video 10 years in the working. Now I finally see that this speaker is a piece of garbage, and it finally went bad on me. And you're going to cut these guys out, right, as the ring, and you can replace it with whatever speakers you want. Now, it doesn't have to be 10 years from now. It could be next week when I actually upload this thing and eventually put it back up online, and there you have it. So I'm going to put a set of speakers in that I would suggest. This is not an amplified system, although the center channel would be there. We're going to pop that out too, see if there's anything in there. But as of right now, this is just the door speaker. So I can continue on, talk and talk and talk, but I'm going to say, like it, don't like it, share, don't lose that, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.